Hey guys, I'm back. So I did show y'all one video, haul video, so I want to kind of show y'all this. So I'm getting ready to put this on. Right now it's like nighttime. It's to get another one. I think I'm supposed to open it this way. This stuff. Okay, it's another way. I'll be right back.
2 hours later.
It looks, I think this is not like the regular mask kind. I need to clean this. See, this is how it looks like this. I think this is kind of like, it's like, you know, like in a bottle, like you use for in a bottle. And, oh, Lord, still some more. Let me get this one and I'm gonna set the time when I come back. Time for 20 minutes because that's what it says on the thing. So this is how it looks on my face. I think I have to like peel it off because it says on it peel it off, but you don't have to rinse your face. You just have to use a towel. So I have to give me a new towel because that's the towel that I have right there, that pink one, the big pink one. That one I kind of like give me another big towel because I know that I need me another one. I want to use that and mess up my skin. So I want to like show you how it looks, how my face looks and stuff. But if it comes out really good and I peel it out really good, talk to y'all later after then on. And so yeah, can't remove it so much because this mask, I have to like, it's like a mask, but it's a cream. You got to like rub on your face and let it dry up. So now I'm getting ready to wipe it off my face because it's just like I can't move my mouth that much. But let me do that. So next thing, pull my eyebrow. I need to do that. Put some right here. Oh. This is how it looks. Looks like a monster. So this is how my skin look. Ooh. How that girl dry. Forget one. Next time when I do it, I'm not gonna put on my eyebrows because I'm not trying to use no hair of that. But I talked to y'all doing tomorrow and see how it goes with my face doing my wake up and that. So yeah, see y'all tomorrow. Welcome back to my vlogging. So I am like, I just finished a hairstyle, like a winter holidays hairstyle. So I decided I want to do a video for that, and I'm using my brother's lamp. Might just keep it in my room and just use it because that sun still don't want to come out. I think it's because it's been raining. So the video, because by that time the video will be up doing yeah, that video will be up like doing tomorrow. And I was gonna do my intro doing tomorrow, and I was going to do that. And back. So I know today is like the 8th of Friday, Saturday. So I'm going to like fix it. I'm eating some oatmeal, so I'm going to fix this because my mom she bought this tree cookies. So I always wanted to make my own, but I decided to just kind of get the box and you can just put it in a tray and put it in the oven. So I'm going to fix that and fixing the oatmeal too, eating some of that with it. I know it's not really that good headed for that. Yesterday, I just decided not to edit yesterday because I was so tired and wear out. See it? Now I'm going to do a collab because I'm going to pop her name up here. This is our channel, her name. Again, ingredient support. We need to support small YouTubers. Grow together, and that's all we need to do. Hashtag small YouTubers. So, hashtag small. I don't want to say 2, but 3 words. 3 words. I mean, yeah, 3 words. I mean, go and so yeah. Also, I forgot to tell y'all my skin stuff kind of works. That I did on that mask thing. It's like a cream stuff. You just have to rub it on your face, and then it's like it's tight on your face, but it don't hurt. It's just you can't move your mouth that well. So, but I like it, and I feel like I want to go and get it again whenever I'm able to. Oops. Oh. So I know that in the thing it says that you have to heat it oven to 350 or 325 for non-stick. Oh, so you don't have to click. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Let me do that. Let me go backwards. Yeah. Better. Done. I mean, because I'm using this. Makes it easier when you use one of these. I love using it. It's really nice to use it. But I'll talk to y'all, like I said, talk to y'all later. Okay, that is down. Okay, break. Wow. Better. Probably see my face. It's not that stuff. It's just this stuff that I'm using again. So more of this. Oh, I'm reading so fast. Okay, I'm sorry about this. That this is a late vlog, but I like to do this sometimes because I like to be late vlog. Get off, and so that I can upload this video, and so I know the video is not that really good. They're probably quite not that good. But next time I'm gonna do a much better art and stuff. It's just right now I'm just feeling like drained down doing different days and stuff. I feel like that. But I'm gonna put this up. They'll probably see y'all right now. It's gonna be up on Monday. Schedule it, so well, it might not be on Monday because I think I'm making a video Monday. So this probably be up during Tuesday. I mean, like, comment, and subscribe and press the bell notification. And I'll see you doing on my next vlogging and my next video too. Peace. Well, Martin said peace.